My son-in-law's 98 Pontiac Sunfire, same as a Cavalier, would not crank. Had good battery. Put the key in it, turn it over. Looked on the internet. A bunch of people had the same problem. Nobody had the answer. In the end, turned out it was the ignition switch. Y'all hear that, people? Ignition switch. Not the side with the key and the cylinder, but the other side of the steering column, the other end of it, where everything goes into and holds the electrical wires. It was burned out. It's held on start too long and burnt the switch out.